resemble this one?
Yeah, looks right.
I'm going to pan it first.
This motor's not cool enough for that.
Does that work?
It's a little long.
Oh. Ooh, there's a polished one. Expensive. That's really expensive. You do something like that, you got to put that where you can see it.
Yeah.
A lot of those. Those are nice. The problem this is, there's 2 damn million in here. Perfect. Keep all your chrome hardware we can get to it. This one's pretty long. See how long that thing is?
It is pretty long.
Might have a problem with that one. We locked up already. Making sure the bolts all go in. Kind of forcing them.
Probably a good idea.
Oh. Even worse. Kind of the same thing. It's probably 1.5 inches. They're 1 3/8, I think is what they're supposed to be, or it's 1 5/8, something like that. It's one of the 1/8 numbers. This is 2 inch. Yeah, really long. I'm thinking it's too damn long. I think I'm going to have to shorten this one up a little bit, but it might go all the way. Ooh, that is a bad bolt. That's some kind of a metric import piece of crap bolt.
Uh-oh.
I had my doubts about how it looked. I know exactly what it is now.
Import crap.
Yeah. See the quality of bolt doesn't look very good.
Yeah. That's what we think about you.
They're American bolts with metric Allens in them. They're metric hardware just made to be American size and on the thread for it. But everything else is wrong. Okay, that goes in there, but I think that's the one that might be the one that goes in too deep. That bolt's really long. It did go all the way down, it looks like. Alright. Looks to me like the cam might be a little snug.
No play at all. I think that 65 might be a little too thick.
Thinking the horsepower level on this motor is a little high. Why did I put a 50 65 and 65. Oh, that one was loose. Oh, look at that. What that means, don't you?
No. What's that mean? Hole stripped?
It's metric.
Oh. How'd you end up with 2 of those?
What?
How'd you end up with 2 of those?
What?
2 of those metric pieces of crap.
Look at this one. Is it Torx? Oh, it's a Torx.
Yeah.
That didn't work.
Third one's a charm?
That's the one.
Alright.
I like this one.
Good call.
You notice what I do with the metric bolts real bit quick?
Mm-hmm. Put them in the filing cabinet.
Yeah, they're not worth using. They cause nothing but problems down the road. I'd rather put a brand new bolt in and use one piece of crap. That's probably a new bolt too if you look at it. It doesn't look like it was used. But I'm not going to use it either. Garbage. Usually I get brand new bolts in the kits. I just go right from the box into that department for later storage.
Alright. Good idea.
Then I go getting real hardware. We have to check this about oil hole. I thought it was this one, but it might be this one. I only know one of them will shut the oil passage off if you go too deep.
We don't want to do that.
It's one of those things nobody knows about though. Okay. So these we're not using. Chrome one's going to chrome pile. Good bolts go in good pile. Didn't get any better yet. Washer's loose now. I'm thinking that might be too much drag. What do you think?
Yeah. I think so.
I'm thinking something is not happening there. I'm not sure what it is, but it's unexpected because everything in there should be loose as a goose and not tight. Obviously, it's not true. Cam is definitely not happy. The pinion gear and the cam gear are not happy with each other. Freed up. I found the problem, it freed up.
Yeah.
We'll get that one out of the mix. Shouldn't really be that particular washer. pissing me off. It's gonna bend, at least bend to be where it stays put. This whole thing's buckled.
Yeah.
Okay. You see those marks in the bushing way deep in there.
Oh yeah. Doesn't seem bad.
Definitely not tight.
Is it the breather?
Breather. Must be a late breather, I guess. It's obviously not the other things. Okay, that's that one. Yep. Something was causing the problem. See, it was unexpected.
Yeah. Yeah, because you've already had this mocked up once, right?
Not this part.
Oh, okay.
I just had these screws in there. Tight. Don't get much leverage on this.
No.
I never liked these being made like this. Not the cam anymore. That are in play. Crank spins free as it's supposed to. Nice and free, no drag at all, see? And then backlash. Nice and tight, no clearance. Barely hear it here.
Yeah.
There's a spot where it's loose. Just those two teeth. Must be some teeth there a little loose. So it's pitched. That's perfect pinion gear. That was one dial tighter than the other used ones we had.
Oh, okay.
That's the one that came out of that other motor, the 65 motor.
Yeah.
That's what that came out of.
Oh, really?
So you got painted parts in this motor, so it's good.
Ooh, that's fancy.
Yeah. There's your loosest spot right there, which is fine. Okay, and our inflow and our cam. Got that much. How much is that? About that much.
About that much.
About that much. How many washers do we have? What are we trying to get rid of? 55 is one we want to get rid of. I'd like 55.
Okay.
Get a bunch of them.
Yeah.
Good reason to get rid of that one.
Yeah. That makes sense.
I don't care. We got plenty of clearance, so it doesn't matter. Too much doesn't hurt it. Too little does. Yeah, we got. 15 goes in there. There's 20 out. Here's 20. $20 goes in there too. We could take 10 out if we wanted to. But this gas can then squeeze down. These things squeeze a ton.
Oh.
I bet you can get 10 thou squeeze out of that gas. That's why I don't like using it, because you don't know how much clearance you can have.
Right.
I'm going to stay with that one that's got 20 thou clearance, because if it drops down 10, I'm still golden. If it drops 15, I'm still okay. I'm getting tight. I don't trust those washers at all, or that gasket. Okay, this one sucks.
Good to know.
Don't use that one. So we got this one and this one to choose from now. So, or it was too much of the washer thickness is too much would be the other option. I'm guessing it's a gear diameter issue. This is not how you measure them, but for quick reference, 430. So it's not a mismatched gear. It's the same 430 on everything. So maybe the washer was the problem. Washer's only 114, that's not much.
Where's the other one we had?
Same 15. This is stock, should be loose. Something else is going on, but obviously it's in the breather. Okay, so you know we like the cam, that's all good, pinion gear is good, all that stuff is good. The only problem now is the breather. And we gotta check these bolts to see if we're shutting off an oil line over here.
Yeah, probably a good idea.
Minor problem.
Yeah.
We gotta figure out which one it gets close to in there.
Came off easy that time.
Not fighting it. See, this gasket has not collapsed yet, and it will collapse. I think it's 50 thou thick. It'll go down 20 thou, I bet. That would be a problem if it went down 20. I don't like these things. Don't trust them. We'll find out how it works. We know we got an extra 20 plus in there.
Yeah.
See if it sucks up 20 thou worth of it. Okay, where's that one we took? We got this one in there. We didn't have the, yeah, we didn't have the darn, the gasket hasn't squeezed down yet. We haven't, we got a binding problem. It's weird. Could be something pitched down there. Alright, we'll be back.